What's new in Apache Camel Karavan 3.21? This release mostly focuses on developer performance. In this release, we have created Karavan CLI to simplify installation of Karavan into Kubernetes. Second main focus is fast prototyping. With the Karavan CLI, you can install Karavan into Kubernetes, OpenShift, or Minikube using one-line command. It's simple and it might take less than a minute to do it. Let's see. Let's try to install Karavan into Minikube. First, let's check our Minikube status. It's up and running. Then I'm gonna download Karavan CLI from Maven Central. It's here, and then using java-jar Karavan CLI install and repository configuration, we start the installation process. It deploys the Tecton pipelines, create a persistent volume claims, and then install Karavan and check if it's up and running. And the last step, we need to get an information about this Karavan service, and it's up and running on this port. And I'm just copy the address. We can see that Karavan is up and running, and this is our projects from the Git repository. Fast prototyping. Developer could run integration in development mode with JBank. It supports hot reload of integration and Java code. We have access to the live logs and exchange trace data. Let's see the demo. Let's make a very simple integration project. Create new one. Hello world. Hello world. With Quarkus runtime, save, and we have our project. It's empty. We can create our first integration. Hello. It's empty. Let's make very simple. Everybody loves it. Timer to log with message hello. We have timer and log the body of the exchange, and let's run it in development mode. It starts Apache Camel JBang. Download all the required dependencies, load our hello camel YAML application properties, download camel utils, and we have our application up and running. Hello. Cool. If we go to our integration and replace like body to hello world and reload up, it reloads. So it's quite simple. But let's say we would like to add some additional logic into our integration. We insert new elements, processor. Let's call it custom processor, and create Java class. Creates Java class from the template. Hello Java world. Save it. We can go back to our application, reload it, go to the dashboard, and open the log. And it's hello Java world now. And here on the dashboard tab, you can see our status of the pod, GVM parameters, and Camel context, version, state, and it's already passed about 80 exchanges. Actually, if you want to know what is inside Exchange, you can go to the trace, turn on auto refresh, get some traces, and then open the trace. You can see it starts with hello message, go into process, and then after the process, the body became hello Java world. So here you can do a fast prototyping, add new features in your integration, and when you're done, just stop the development mode. After that, you can see that you have a new files that were updated after the last commit. We haven't committed anything yet for these particular projects, so we need to push into the repository, add in some commands, and boom, pushed. We have everything up and updated, committed into the Git repository, and we're ready to start our pipeline. We go to the pipeline tab and click start build pipeline. It will start Tecton pipeline inside our Minikube, and if we click on the pipeline link, we could see what's going on inside the pipeline. Actually, we start Camel JBank expert, and after that we export into Quarkus project and execute Maven package that will package the jar and also build container image with zip and push it into image repository and make a deployment into Minikube. So now it's creating an image. Might take some time, and it pushed, and now it's deploying. We have pod, pending, now running. Wait a bit, Kubernetes need to figure it out that replicas. It's ready, and Camel health is good. So now we're good. We have created our project. We push it into Git repository. We started pipeline, and we have our project up and running. And if we go on the dashboard, we see hello world in development environment, one replica, services, and Camel is good. So we are done.